We're going to be doing a BeeBot challenge today. Now, before we can use the BeeBots, we're going to have to program it on our page. Remember last year we did the graph paper programming before we used our ProBots, and this is along the same lines. We're going to, before we even get the robots out, we're going to go ahead and do a program and write it out so we'll know what we're going to do. So this one is, we already have a predetermined path that we want our BeeBot to go into. And I'm going to show you some tricks because how to do this, because BeeBots are a lot more, they're a lot different than robots in some respects. They're the same in a lot of respects, but they're different, and it can get confusing if you haven't worked with them before. So we're going to start at start, we're going to end with end, and I have these little blocks here to use with these because they you'll see. I'll just show you. So we're going to start on this block, and this is where we're going to start. We're not going to start back here. We're going to start in the block. So then we're going to make our, then our BeeBot is going to follow the line, and it's going to go up one. So that's going to be an arrow up. Now the BeeBot is needed to go this way. So this is where it gets confusing for some people. Then we're just going to turn the BeeBot. That is one thing it does. It's going to turn. So you need to do a turn. You can do a turn like this, or you can just do an arrow that points that way. Now you haven't done anything with this BeeBot except turn it. So now it is facing this way. See, the little eyes are facing that way. So we're going to go to the next one. And we're not going to the right. We're still going, even though it's facing that way now, he's still going forward. Now we're going to have to turn him again. And this time we are turning him to the left. Now again, he is facing this way. All we've done is turn him. We haven't gone anywhere yet. So he's going to go up to the next block. So that's up. And then he's going to turn to the right. And so that's that. And now he's facing this way, so he's going to go forward. And so that's where he will end. Alright, so now that we have our program that we're going to program our BeeBot with, we're going to use this. And we're going to just put what we put on the paper onto the BeeBot. And what we are going to do is turn him on. I'm going to sit him where it starts. And then we're going to put in our program. And our program says to go one up. So we're going to go one up. And then to the right. Up. Left. Up. Right. Up. Now remember, he's supposed to start here in this. Go up, over, up, over. Now let's see if that works. Alright, so he started here. He went up. He went over. He went up. He went over. So he did exactly what our predetermined path did. He followed that path. And so that's what we're going to be doing today. Good luck.